In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Bank of America subscription on iPhone or Android. We'll use the built-in subscription settings on your phone so you can cancel quickly and confidently without hunting through multiple apps. Whether you're on iOS or Android, the process is nearly identical and only takes a moment once you know where to look. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. That's the grey gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. We're doing everything from settings because subscriptions are managed at the account level, not inside the app itself. At the top of settings, tap your account section. On iPhone, this is your Apple ID banner with your name and profile photo. On Android, you'll see your Google account at the top. This is the hub for purchases and subscriptions linked to your device. If you have more than one Apple ID or Google account, make sure you're viewing the account you used when you originally signed up. Being in the wrong account is the most common reason people can't find a subscription. Next, select subscriptions. This screen lists all active subscriptions tied to that account, along with renewal dates and plan details. Think of it as your control panel for auto-renewing services. Take a second to scan the list so you're sure you're in the right place and can see everything that's currently active. Find the Bank of America subscription you want to cancel and tap on it. The entry will typically show the app name, the plan or tier, and the next billing date. Opening it gives you a clear view of the pricing and when the next charge would occur, which is helpful to confirm before you proceed. Now tap Cancel Subscription. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm the cancellation to complete the process. After you confirm, your cancellation is successful. In most cases, you'll keep access until the end of the current billing period, but you won't be charged again. You should also receive a confirmation email from Apple or Google for your records. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the subscription here, it may have been billed directly through the provider rather than through Apple or Google, which means it won't appear on this list. Also, note that cancellations usually aren't prorated. The service remains active until the period ends. For peace of mind, jot down the renewal date shown on the page or take a quick note so you can verify the renewal stops as expected. And that's it. Simple, clear, and done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel your subscription with confidence.